3 reasons to stay at the Bellevue Hotel and Spa in Cogne, Aosta. Cogne is an authentic mountain village located in Italy's oldest national park. Connecting with nature and the local wildlife is pretty much guaranteed. The hotel is like a local museum. There are collections of local artwork and artifacts that are really impressive. Run by 4 generations of the same family and with a 90-year history, Bellevue is a cultural icon. Bellevue also offers a complete holiday package, in-house. Several restaurants featuring local specialties and an extensive award-winning spa centre featuring unique vitality treatments. If you wish to see the Italian Alps, this is a place to see.
David and I, we spent a lot of time travelling around South America and Europe before we moved here to Italy. And the places we remembered the most were where you arrived and you felt very much like you're at home. At that place in Chile when we arrived, and I could finally get my cup of tea.
Yes.
And so when we made Casa San Gabriel, the idea was for when our guests arrive to really feel like they're at home. So we put a bottle of wine in the house for you. You have some milk, you can make a cup of tea, there are things for breakfast. And for us that's really important. And also, if you come with children and you need a cot or a high chair or some toys, we make sure they're there for you so that it makes your holiday that much easier.
And I think, we're very lucky to live in one of the most beautiful valleys in Umbria, and it's lovely to be able to share it with other people. They can come with their families and they can relax. They can look down the valley. We have, very much what it was like 300 years ago. I mean, we have ancient olive groves, we have beautiful vineyards. Just as at the end of the spring, we have fireflies in the evenings. We have wild boar roaming the valleys, although they don't cause us any problems. But it's just, it's a sort of a natural wonder world, really, isn't it?
Yeah, and we're in the countryside, which is wonderful. But I mean, the great thing about it is that we are really close to a lot of lovely places you can visit. This little triangle, which is Perugia, Assisi, Cortona, Lake Trasimeno, which are all wonderful, ancient places to visit and great for children as well. We try to be child friendly.
Yes, and I mean we've set the houses up so that parents can come and they can relax. They have everything they need for their kids. We encourage the kids to go down and feed the alpacas. We have dogs that families can take for walks around the valley, and the kids can wear themselves out by the pool. The shutters on the windows shut so that they're so dark that the kids sleep longer than they normally do at home. It works really well on a number of levels, doesn't it?
Yeah, I mean, we're very, very fortunate to call this our home, and hopefully we can encourage our guests to come and enjoy it and feel like they're at home as well.
Yeah, I think so too.